funds are one way to diversify your investment portfolio. It allows your money to be pooled with other people to jointly buy stocks, bonds, and other securities. But like most types of investments, it comes at a cost. Joining us to discuss is Peter Sashecki with Everything Financial. Good morning, Peter.
Good morning.
So let's talk about mutual funds here. What is something that you might recommend for people who are looking to invest in a mutual fund?
First thing you should do is when you talk to whoever you've chosen to talk to, bank or mutual fund company, salesperson, is ask them what you're getting. So what value are they bringing to the table? What are you getting for the fees? I know we talk a lot about fees and people worrying about fees, but it's not so much of what the fee is. It's what are you getting for your fee?
Okay, so how do the mutual fund fees work then?
Well, there's lots of fees built in. There's a management expense ratio, there's investment management fees, there's trading costs, there's taxes. The real fee is what's called the total expense ratio. Here we go with all those
total expense ratio.
Yeah, the TER, not the MER. But no one really, it's really hard to see what that cost is, and I can guarantee you the salesperson has no idea. So a lot of times they will say, and sometimes it's bad education, really, not trying to mislead you, that it's the MER, but it's much more than that. So let's not focus on, wow, what's the fee? How much am I losing? What are you getting for your money? Are you just getting buy this one, buy this one, buy this one? Or are they giving you other services for what they're recommending?
What should they be giving you? Well,
realistically, if you're seeing a financial advisor of any sort, you should be getting tax planning. You should be some sort of referral to, say, if they have a legal department or they have a notary or a lawyer, you should be getting an update on your will, your power of attorney. You should be getting a full financial plan, and a financial plan doesn't mean, and we've talked about this, how much do I buy in RSPs or TFSAs? Even an estate plan, and at the end of life, help with executor, probate, all those paperwork. It should be all-encompassing. It should be a full plan that really looks after all your financial well-being.
Okay, so let's get back to the mutual funds here. What is the average mutual fund fee here in Canada?
We see things as low as 1.5% for more of the fixed income type portfolios, which really should be about 0.25%. And then on the high end, I've seen some recently that are in the high 4s. That's rare. That's for more aggressive speculative stuff. But we routinely, there we go, easy for me to say on the morning, see things in the high 3s and low 4s, which is a lot of money out of your pocket before you've even started to invest. And guess what? As I say, it's your money, so it's not just about what they make, it's what you keep, and you're losing a lot when you're giving away high 3s to 4%.
So what are some of the other options people may have if they don't feel that that's the best route for them?
Well, if you're not getting any service or you're not getting any advice or any financial planning, just go simply to an ETF, the exchange traded fund, the index fund, where a lot of those fees are stripped out. And you can see it if you compare a Toronto Stock Exchange mutual fund, so Canadian equity versus an ETF equity, you can see the rate of return. Or people start investigating, that we talk about all the time, and I'm not one of them, a portfolio manager. Those guys are the fiduciary. They're there for your best interest. They have to, by law, disclose all their fees, and you're talking 1.5% to 2%, all in, fully disclosed. And usually they associate themselves with someone who can give you tax advice as well in a lot of cases. So ask, again, what am I getting for my money? Not just what's the fee, what extra services am I getting?
Okay, and then you can decide for yourself if you think that's worth it. Peter Sashecki with Everything Financial. Thanks for that, Peter.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.